Former New York City Mayor Rudy Giuliani says he has settled a dispute with two former Georgia election workers who had sued him and were awarded a $148 million judgment. Now, Giuliani said that he could not pay that full amount. He was due in court today to testify because the women instead wanted some of his property, including a Florida condominium and his World Series rings that he received as being a prominent New York Yankees fan. Now, Giuliani's lawyers said that instead of coming to court today, Giuliani has settled with the women. He has reached an agreement whereby he will retain all of his property, including his New York City apartment and his Florida condominium and the World Series rings. And instead, according to a statement from the women, he will pay them compensation. Now, what that compensation is, how much, is unclear. Lawyers on both sides would not comment. But the bottom line, Rudy Giuliani has resolved a dispute over the massive judgment that he owed the two Georgia election workers, former election workers, mother and daughter, whom a jury found he defamed repeatedly in the aftermath of the 2020 election. Giuliani, of course, was working on behalf of President Donald Trump, former president and future President-elect Donald Trump. Trump was disputing that he lost that election to Joe Biden, and Giuliani took aim at this mother and daughter duo in various appearances. They sued him and won a judgment. He then filed for bankruptcy, came out of bankruptcy, and fought them as they tried to take possession of his assets because he could not pay them the large sum that they were owed.